In a sparkling ocean, under a sun-kissed sky, lived a little fish named Splash. Splash was known for his big dreams, but he had a tiny problem: he couldn't catch anything. One day, Splash saw a shiny, wriggly worm darting about. "I must catch that worm," he thought. But each time he swam towards it, the worm darted away. Splash felt frustrated. "I'll never be able to catch anything," he sighed. But then, a wise old turtle swam by. "Why so glum, Splash?" asked the turtle. Splash told him about his problem. The turtle listened patiently, then said, "Perhaps you're trying too hard, Splash. Relax and try again." Splash took a deep breath, calmed down, and swam towards the worm. This time, he was slower, more relaxed, and to his surprise, he caught the worm. Splash was overjoyed. He swam back to the turtle, showing off his catch. "I did it," he exclaimed. The turtle smiled and said, "See, Splash, sometimes all it takes is a little patience." From that day forward, Splash never gave up on his dreams. He learned that with patience and a little effort, he could catch anything he put his mind to. And so, Splash became the bravest, most patient little fish in the ocean. Every night, as the sun set and the stars twinkled, Splash would swim under the moonlight, remembering the day he couldn't catch. But now, he could catch anything, thanks to his newfound wisdom. And he would dream big, under the starlit sky. The end.